This is Kyle, a 25-year-old subscriber from Charlotte, North Carolina. A few weeks ago, he invited me to his hometown to help him get more comfortable talking to women. Last week, I flew to meet him and let's just say, it was epic.
Let's go!
Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
I just thought you were cute and I wanted to come and say hello. Say hello?
You're so nice.
Yeah.
Sorry, I really
Would you like
appreciate
to hang out sometime? If I want to like reach the woman I'm really attracted to, like I'm gonna have to like go up to them and get out of my comfort zone. So I just feel like I have to start now. So it's just a very powerful concept. Like you see someone you want to talk to, you can talk to them. Like before you think like, oh, I need to have a connection or mutual friend or you know something in common. But you know the only thing that you really need in common is that you're in the same place, so you can just go and talk to them.
That's
so
true.
That's very powerful.
It's powerful, but you can't let yourself get discouraged.
Hello. Hello. How are you doing? Are you in the mood to talk or? Hey. Hey, how you doing? Can you hear me? Hey, how you doing? What's your name? Yeah, I just went up to the girl, said hello, how you doing? They said hello back, and then they kept walking. Like, I don't feel nervous, but I feel a little weird about it.
Okay, let's continue.
Yeah.
Anyway, like this is very, you know, those were like micro interactions. Like
Yeah.
we need more data to get going, you know?
Yeah. So, I thought you were cute and I wanted to come and say hello.
Oh, thank you.
How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing well. Did you just work out or?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, you do it. What did you do? You did some running or?
Yep. Went on a run. It's a great day to be outside.
That's what they say. The best vaccine is good health. So.
There you go. I like
so
that.
So that's how you don't need the shot. You just need to run. So say
like
my
You're
running
right.
shoes are my health insurance. I don't know if my doctor would agree, but yeah, I like to run too. So
my running shoes
are my my insurance. Insurance.
What was the other thing you said? The best vaccine
is good health. Yeah.
You having a good day?
Yeah, I am. Just walking around and enjoying city. So
that sounds like the perfect day. All right. Well, what was your name?
I'm Kyle.
Kyle. Nice to meet you, Kyle.
Nice to meet you.
I'm gonna head back. I'm walking around the city and enjoying the day. But thank you so much for saying hello.
Do some recovery. Do some stretching in.
Exactly.
That's nice. That's cool.
All right, Kyle. You take care. Have a great day. Thanks again for coming up to me.
Yeah.
Really
would you like to hang out sometime or?
I actually have a boyfriend.
You do?
But I'm very flattered.
Oh, nice.
You.
Yeah. Okay. Well, have a good rest of your day. You too. Yeah. Thank you.
Good. That's good. At least you had a real
interaction.
It's building up.
Yeah.
At first it was just like shut up. No. Okay. No, it's okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Let's keep going. Okay, so we're now going to the park because Charlotte is fucking empty. So
I mean, we got like 5-6 approaches.
yeah, but yeah, we're gonna go check a park. See what happens.
Hello. Hey, how you doing? I'm doing good. I thought you were cute and I wanted to say hello.
Oh, hi. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. What's your names? Cool. Are y'all from Charlotte or? That's cool. Are y'all good friends or?
Yeah, we are.
That's cool.
Chatting.
That's nice. Enjoying the day in the park. That's cool. So how do y'all know each other? Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Yeah. Would you like to, or we should hang out sometime? Is that cool?
We're both married.
Oh, you married?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. Yeah. So how's the marriage been during the pandemic?
It's great.
It's great. I feel like it could be like either both ways. Like, can you like you get closer or it could go further apart?
It's great. Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah. Thank you, Brad.
That's good. Well, it was nice meeting you all.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, enjoy the park. Yeah,
Nice
take
to
care.
meet you.
Yeah, peace.
Any observation for how are you feeling so far?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I feel like the nerves were about to get to me, but then I was like, nah, let's just go. Yeah, I feel like maybe the 30 approaches before has helped me be like more. That's what I want to practice. I call it off rip. Like I see someone just go. Like I don't want to be like, oh, I'm nervous. So
Yeah, like spontaneous.
Yeah, just like. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
I just thought you were cute and I wanted to come and say hello.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Flattered.
Are you watching like a Zoom call or?
No, I'm talking to my friend's mom.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, is it like serious or?
My friend?
No, is it like a important call or very?
Oh, I mean, yeah, we're just chatting.
Oh, nice. That's cool.
Yeah.
So you just chilling in the park, just hanging out?
Yeah, I have a flight to catch soon. So
Oh, nice.
leaving
Where are
in
you
like
going?
15. Back home. I'm from Arizona. Yeah.
So what brought you to Charlotte?
My boyfriend is actually he works for the airlines, so I get like free flights and stuff. So I like to fly places on the weekend and see what's what. So
Oh,
come in here.
nice. So you do like a little East Coast tour or?
I just came here. I went to Portland a couple weeks ago for the weekend, so I'm just trying to like see all the different states and stuff like that.
Wow.
But I have to. Oh, I gotta get going. I have to return my rental car by 3.
Oh, okay.
Sorry to cut it short, but
No, it's all good.
it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. I don't know if you're down. Maybe I could hit you up if I ever visit Phoenix.
Yeah.
Is that cool if I get your?
my Instagram?
Yeah. Okay.
It's like a cartoon version as the circle.
Okay. So you're the in the world.
Yeah.
There was like a leaderboard.
Yeah. That's me?
That's you. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Let me know. I'll give you some tips.
Yeah. Cool. Well. Yeah. You too. I feel great, dude. Like I feel like natural. Like it's like one after the other, just keeping it going.
Okay, cool.
So I'm in the groove. In the back of my head, I used to think like, oh, like I see a girl in the library at school. I'm like, oh, she's cute. But I knew I had to go talk to her. But I was just so nervous, and I just never took action. There's opportunity only if you look for it.
The day's almost over. We're about to wrap up, but you know, Kai still hasn't gotten what he's looking for.
Hello. Excuse me. Hello. How you doing?
What?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. I thought you were cute, so I just wanted to say hello.
Okay, thank you.
Are you just walking your dog?
Yeah.
That's nice. Having a good Sunday?
Yeah.
That's cool. What's your name?
Have a good one.
Oh, okay, you too.
Sorry.
Okay, yeah. Have a good day.
So Kyle, tell us about today. What happened? How you feel about it? You know,
I mean, it would have been nice to have
a number from the girl who doesn't live in Phoenix.
Yeah. Set a date. I mean, we're about to walk back, so I don't know, maybe.
As little did he know, as we're walking back to the car.
Hello? Hey, how you doing? I just thought you were cute and I wanted to come and say hello.
You're so nice.
Yeah.
Sorry, give me 1 second.
Yeah.
You're so nice.
Yeah, what's your name?
I'm
Kyle.
Kyle, nice
Yeah,
to
nice
meet
to
you.
meet you.
Did you just move here?
No, I'm from Charlotte.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, what about you?
I just moved here in October.
Oh, from where?
From Colorado.
Colorado?
Yeah.
Oh, where about in Colorado?
Little area?
Littleton, my friend just moved out there.
No way.
Yeah. So I'm trying to
That's awesome.
visit him like after the virus, so.
Yeah, it's amazing
So-
out there. You definitely should.
Yeah, were you born in Littleton or?
I was. Yeah, I was born in Colorado.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So did you come out here for work or?
Yeah, for work.
Oh, nice. What do you?
Area?
I was just hanging out, walking. I'm in South Charlotte. I live in South Charlotte.
Oh, okay, cool.
How you been?
Yep.
That's cool.
All right. Well, I gotta talk to my girl.
Yeah, it's
I'm
cool
so
meeting
sorry.
you. Yeah, you're cool.
Yes.
So we should hang out instead of beer. We
Okay.
should drink a glass
Sure.
of wine. Is that-
Sure. I can my number.
Yeah, I hit you up. Oh, I'll text you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, have a good rest of your day.
Yep, have a good one.
Yeah, bye. Bro.
Look at that smile.
Let's go.
I couldn't see shit.
You
But
couldn't?
you have the smile of the
Dude.
winner.
Dude, I feel like what was that guy? Brent?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Yeah?
I feel like Brent. The video I
Yeah,
just watched it.
Brent.
When he
Shout out to
shout
Brent.
out to Brent when he talked to that girl was like
At the end, yeah.
Yeah, the very
He
end.
was discouraged.
And then he went back. Dude, that's I was like, we just did the closing video.
Yeah.
And then I was like, yo, I just said I wish I had got a number. And I got a number.
Nice, and
So-
she was on the phone.
Yeah, she was talking to her grandma.
Nice.
So I was like, yeah, tell your grandma I said hello.
Dude, amazing.
So-
how does that feel?
Yeah, it feels good.
Man, you were like coming back
Yeah,
with a
she
new
was like,
smile.
that's good. Good way to end the day. So. Let's go. Let's go. Shoot, man. Shoot.
Oh my god. Like I love, honestly, this is one of the reasons I love making those videos.
Yeah.
Is like the emotional like elevator and you like literally like 2 minutes
out.
ago you were a little bit disappointed.
Yeah.
And now you're like fuck it, like amazing.
Yeah.
Dude, this is amazing.
You just gotta, like I was saying earlier, like that's it's by design with the coaching. Like some people are gonna be
Receptive.
open,
Yeah.
some people aren't. And that girl was on her phone. She could have just said, "Oh, like I'm on the phone. Like leave me
Especially
alone."
with my grandmother.
Yeah.
Man.
You just gotta shoot.
And I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy that we didn't remove the mic.
Oh yeah.
You know? And that's fucking cool.
Yeah.
Damn. So, one final word now?
Yeah. You just gotta shoot.
What a day. I really love making those videos. As you can see, I'm back in Miami. Charlotte was a bit too cold for me. If there's one thing you guys should take from those videos is that interacting with people is first and foremost about expressing yourself. If you want to say something to someone, saying what you have to say and being true to yourself is the main goal. What happens after, whether you find a date, you make a friend, or you just experience an awkward moment, those are just side effects. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't hesitate to reach out. My email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So whether you just want to chat, whether you want to be featured in one of those videos, or you want some coaching, reach out. I'd love to meet you. One last thing, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. That's it for today. See you next time.